welcome you to my channel, Laptop Lifestyle. At this channel, we will be talking about all the ways that you can build a productive business at home, at the beach, at the mountain, just using a laptop and a good internet connection. But today, I wanted to leave you with 5 ideas on how to occupy your time during this quarantine. What are you doing now? How are you dealing with this situation? Are you going crazy at home, or are you taking this time to build something, to plan how you're going to beat this crisis? Unfortunately, the coronavirus has affected everybody's daily life, and it has forced all of us to change our lifestyle. Some are very anxious about their future, and they are afraid, even about staying without a job. So why not to take this time and change it into something productive and find new ways on how to build a business, an online business. So take a piece of paper now and start writing down all the skills that you have that you believe can be monetized. Then start researching ways to make it happen. I will leave you today with 5 suggestions. For example, suggestion number 1. Online tutoring. If you like teaching, now is the perfect time to use your teaching skills to start giving online classes. Everyone is home. So many parents are looking to get tutoring online to prevent their kids from falling behind in school, even for themselves. So this can definitely be a good idea. Suggestion number 2, online consultant. If you are an expert in a certain domain, you can explore the skills working as a freelancer. There are platforms like Upwork and Fiverr where you can register and offer your services. And depending on your skill, you can end up making a very good living. Suggestion number 3, sales. Yes, sales. If you like to sell, now you can do it from home. Many companies are looking to grow their online sales and hire salespeople to expand their sales team. This has started not now, It has started well before this pandemic because online purchases have exploded in the past years, and online sales is becoming a very important chunk of businesses' revenue. Suggestion number 4, transcription. What is that? Maybe you are not familiar with this term, transcription. Well, transcription is when you take an audio and transcribe it into text. This pays well, and you can find large companies like Amazon who offer opportunities in this field. My last suggestion for today, suggestion number 5, affiliate marketing. I'm sure that you may have heard about it before. This is when you earn a commission by promoting someone else's services or product, and it's a great thing. It's a great thing to start because you don't need to invest in inventory, and you need very little money to start. So there you have it, 5 nice ways to start and to use this time. So if you like this video and you found it helpful, click on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe so you can be informed every time new videos are uploaded. See you soon and stay safe.